Do you remember your dreams?
Sometimes.
Do you remember any like cool dreams, like a zombie apocalypse, or maybe you became rich, or maybe...
I remember where I dream about my panties is like flying in front of my crush. But it was like many years ago. And then I told my friends about it, my classmates about it, and then my classmates were telling my crush, and then I was so angry, like, why would you guys tell it to my crush? It's so embarrassing. My panties were flying in front of my crush, like, how do you feel about that? I mean, it's just a dream though. It's okay. I'm not offensive. And it's maybe 7 years ago.
I thought you were gonna talk about like, you know, oh, I had a wonderful dream where I lived in a really cool place. Maybe you went traveling. Maybe you didn't. I did not expect that. I did not expect that.
I don't know, man. I think I don't have such a dream like that.